Okay children, let's go for a next exercise. Complete each word with the correct ending letters. Okay, we have to find out the each picture and we have to write the remaining letters. For example, listen children, this is a bell. Bell. You're getting the longer sound of L. So we have to put double L. Bell. This is a dress. Dress. Okay, you are getting the S sound longer, isn't it? Dress, dress. Okay, she is yelling. Yelling means shouting loudly. Yell, yell. You are getting the L sound long. We have to put double L. Okay, children. Okay, this is they are playing a chess. Chess, not chess. This is a chess. You are getting the S sound longer. We have to put a S here. Chess. Okay. Now here, just see it here. She is a spilling. Spill. Spill. You are getting the L sound. Okay. This is a cross. Cross. You are hearing any S sound? Yes. This is a S is short or long sound? Long. We have to put double S here. Okay. What he is doing? He is tossing the coin, isn't it? Toss. Toss. Yes, yes, yes sound, but it's longer, so we have to put a double yes. Okay, listen here. Your children is kissing her mother. Kiss. Kiss. Yes, you're hearing a yes sound longer. Listen children, I'm revising one more time. Listen carefully. This is a bell. Bell. Dress. Dress. Yell, yell. Chess, chess. Spill, spill. Cross, cross. Toss, toss. Kiss, kiss. In this exercise, we have learnt the longer pronunciation, isn't it? If listen children, I'm telling, if the same word comes together, we have to pronounce it longer. Okay children, let's go to the next exercise.